We are right by Dryden, just about where the 97 splits off south. We're gonna take the 97 today down here, and then this tiny little black path here, that's the Blewitt Pass, and we will try to see how far down it we can get. It sounds like there's a landslide somewhere, so it's closed, but it's supposed to be really cool, so we'll go down it as far as we can, and then we'll continue on this 97 south to near Liberty, where there's a place called the helipad where we're gonna camp for the night.
This road, the old Blewitt Highway. There's a dead end, so we're gonna turn around, but man, really putting the new suspension to the test. I thought we'd be putting it to the test off-road and at the helipad, but we're putting it to the test on the old highway. So far, so good.
camp. I'm thinking that maybe in this area around a structure is a good idea, just in case people are driving through. It's pretty flat, so I think trucks drive through anywhere. And I don't want to get run over in my sleep, so. Pretty deep. This is where Calen almost took us down. This is our tire. We blocked the line right here.
That was a good one. That was a good crack.
I think this might be my new favorite spot to camp.
Fire ban today, no fire. That's too bad, but we expected it. Usually hot enough in July and August anyway, but can't go wrong with the fire, I suppose. That would be fun. I think the trails get pretty crazy up in the trees. I remember going close to them with our bike, and yeah, I don't think the Harley would make it too far in there. Especially because it's on one big hill. So if you tried to turn and it got past the tipping point, it'd be pretty tough to just manhandle it, right? Like on like a dirt bike or a light ADV. He's following his buddy.
Yeah, he's following him.
Cool. Be a good boy.
What a good boy, yeah. Hi, puppy.
We brought a tarp just in case we had any weather. When you're in the semi-mountainous region, you just never know if you're gonna get rain coming over the mountains or what. I mean, the weather network does okay in figuring it out, but they've been wrong before. So just in case, packs up light, nice and small. We just throw it on the front of our bike in the roll, in the bed roll, so it doesn't take up any room in the bags. It's really nice to bring the tarp. The only thing is, it can be loud at night when there's wind, unless you get it real tight. But yeah, I haven't in the past. That's how I know that. No tent tonight. We're just gonna sleep under the stars. When it's 26 or 13 at night, it's just perfect. I'm surprised there's not more people here. Saturday, beautiful day. But then again, there's a fire ban. I don't know if people just don't have any reason to come to a dispersed camping area if there's no fires, you know? Kind of nice though, being pretty secluded, other than a few dune buggies now and again. Work those pipes, come on.
Can you finish this? This pumping?
You need a discovery pass. It's about $30 online to camp in dispersed areas like this one. But besides that, it's free. So, you know, the cost is embedded in that pass, but if you go camping as much as we do, you definitely get your money's worth. Could we make it on these trails? No. That's a strong no. It's a lot more dug in and tracked out since we were here last. Like, this is deeper, I think. What is that?
What is that? Do you think we need to put our food in a tree for bear reasons out here? I think we're gonna have to hang our food in a tree for bear reasons.
Gonna hang our bag away from the campsite just in case. Probably don't need to, but you know, better safe than sorry, I suppose. I have a feeling though any black bear could climb any one of these trees. It's the grizzlies, right? But they can climb too.
Can they?
Yeah, if they really want to.
That's terrifying.
Yeah, I think it's like a myth.
You look like a little kid running away from home with your little stick of
Until we can't get it on the go. So help me.
What's your plan here? That's too high. You should no! No dice. You won't be able to get it down.
Okay, we'll put it in a normal tree.
Just tuck them in a branch up there.
Good. Good?
I'm fine with it. I don't think he's gonna come.
I agree, but that's not a proper hang.
All right, give him a hang then.
Getting rather good at this. Better.
Better.
Improvement.
Better. Nice.
There we go.
There it is.
I'm sure he'll get it though. But anyway, whatever. Might be actually hot because I did get hot the other day. Who knows though? Almost wish I parked a little closer.
I got my game. I'll play for a bit and then I think we'll go to bed.
Well, wouldn't you know it? Slept in today. Probably about 8 o'clock. Probably has something to do with being up so late. I had difficulty sleeping. I didn't bring any wool base layer. Funny, I try to get away with bringing as less as I can. And sometimes I don't pack the right stuff, or I cut out too much, thinking that it's gonna be fine. So, yeah, always bring the base layer, you know. Both Nika and I were up in the middle of the night, and but we both were just looking up at the stars, chatting, and that was really nice. I saw 2 comets. That were like fireworks in the sky. You could almost see the smoke coming off of them. They're so close, closer than any shooting star I've ever seen. It was unlikely that bears were going to come at all, but because of all the noise. But better safe than sorry. Looks like our food survived the night. Of course. I have a feeling any bear could have gotten it anyway, but the point was that they wouldn't come looking where we were sleeping, of course. Although Nika did snack in bed. All right.
We're all packed up. We're gonna rip around on the dirt for a while and then we'll head to Liberty Cafe for some breakfast. And then maybe we'll go swimming or something after that. We'll see how we feel on the way home. We are at Liberty right now. We just had some breakfast. The plan is to head back the same way we came, north on the 97 till we hit the 2 again. Somewhere along the 97, maybe this chunk here, is a place called Swak, which is a campground and it's along the river. So we're hoping to take a little river dip there on the way home since it's pretty hot out.
Okay.
This walk wasn't exactly what we expected, but I'm pleasantly surprised anyways. We're gonna head home from here. Thanks for watching. See you next time.